If you're a real estate agent, did you know that budgeting is actually biblical? It has been practiced for thousands of years. Proverbs 21:5 says, "The plans of the diligent certainly lead to profit, but anyone who is reckless only become poor." So what does that mean? If you want to be successful in your career, you want to be smart with your time and with your money. What does that mean? That means laying out all of your expenses ahead of time and assessing what's essential versus what isn't. For someone like myself, my mortgage, my office, my health insurance, my gas, these are essential items. But versus my Netflix, my gym membership, or even getting my hair done, all of which I just listed are not a necessity. Tracking monthly allows me to cut costs in areas to focus on my business and to increase my profit. Here's an Excel that I created that displays how I separate my personal and my business expenses every single month to assess if I'm on track to my financial goal. Keep in mind, when you do this, it will not only save you money, but it will actually give you peace. If you want to strengthen your finances and the direction of your business, click the link in the video and I will walk you through how to build it.